Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the NVIDIA app not detecting games on PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to uninstall and reinstall NVIDIA app. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller and press enter. Select the download option. Select the zip over here and it started downloading. After getting done, select this folder icon. Double click on the downloaded file. Now double click on the Geek application. Select yes. In here you just need to select type your find a program and just need to type NVIDIA. Here you can able to see NVIDIA app. Just right click on it and select uninstall. This program will help you to uninstall the leftover files guys. After uninstalling it, it will scan for leftover files. After the scan done, you just need to select the delete files option and it will all be deleted. After doing this, you just need to open up Chrome, search NVIDIA app and select the download NVIDIA app. Select the download now option and download it. After the download done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 2, you just need to open up a Geek installer we downloaded. Again, search for NVIDIA. Just right click on the NVIDIA app and select uninstall. After the uninstall done, you just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this link, NVIDIA GeForce Experience old version. Select the link and it will start downloading. If it is not download, select the relaunch download option. Select the free download option and now it will automatically start downloading. If the download doesn't start automatically, select relaunch download. In my case it started. After the download done, install it. After the installation done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.